Hi, this is ranch chicken broccoli casserole. Has potatoes, ranch seasoning loaded with chicken and broccoli. This comes together in 1 hour in the oven. I think your family will really love it. Perfect for dinner, and you can have it on the table in under an hour or in 1 hour. So if you want to see how to make this is so freaking delicious. Keep watching. Okay, here are the ingredients. I've sprayed my pan with some PAM non-stick cooking spray. I'm using an 8x8, and I'm using Velveeta cheese sauce. You can buy it in the packets, and you can get single packets at dollar stores. It just makes it more creamy. I'm using cream of chicken with herbs. I'm going to use a can of diced tomatoes to make this really quick and easy. Panko breadcrumbs, about a half a cup. 2 tablespoons of butter, and I've got 1 2/3 cup of cooked grilled chicken. You see the color is highly seasoned. And I've got 1 package of steamed broccoli. I've already steamed it, and 1 packet of ranch. This comes together in about 1 hour, and it's absolutely delicious. You can serve it with dinner, for dinner, and you can have salad or rolls, or make it a side dish and have an additional meat, and just have a super deluxe broccoli cheese casserole. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna start with the cream of chicken with herbs. And those that know me, you know I'm always looking for maximum flavor and big time shortcuts because I work full time as an ER nurse. And this is just for me. So this is just a small portion. If you're gonna do a 9x13 and feed a family, you will need 2. I've rinsed my diced potatoes in the can. I'm gonna add a packet of ranch seasoning to this. For extra flavor, give it that ranch flavor. And I'm going to add 1 package of the Velveeta cheese. Now you can use sharp cheddar, you don't have to use Velveeta. This just makes sure it's extra creamy and cheesy. But you can definitely grate or buy it already grated sharp cheddar cheese. And then to this, I've microwaved my broccoli. It's steamed. And I only get the florets, and those that know me, welcome back. You know I like my vegetables really, really soft. If you want to use fresh, please blanch them in a pot of hot water for a good 3 to 5 minutes, then shock them in cold water to stop the cooking process. And then I'm adding my chicken. This is pre-cooked, and this is heavily seasoned grilled chicken also, for extra flavor. Just want to get this all mixed. My oven is preset to 350 degrees. This will go 45 minutes. Try and break up some of the broccoli because I did get florets and they're kind of large. But that's the way I like them. And then here I've got my panko breadcrumbs, and I'm going to add the melted butter, 2 tablespoons. This gives it like a crunchy topping, and I like the contrast myself with the texture. So that's why I'm using panko. It's extra crunchy. I just want to add some melted butter to this and get this all mixed together. Okay, next we just want to put this in the baking dish. And you could use 2 bags of broccoli if you wanted more vegetable forward. I have concentrated on the meat. Because those that know me, welcome back. You know I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. I like a lot of meat and a lot of seasoning. So now I'm going to add the buttered panko, which will give it a crunchy topping, just for a texture contrast. Plus I wanted to use this up. This is perfect for a quick weeknight meal when you have to work and you need to come home and get dinner on the table in under an hour. You can buy a rotisserie chicken, a baked chicken. I even heard chicken in the can is delicious. You just want to shred it up or chunk it up and you're all set. Some ovens at 350. I'm going to cover this with foil and put this in the oven for 45 minutes covered. Okay, it's been 45 minutes, so I'm going to remove the foil. Nice and hot and bubbly. So it'll go another 15 minutes. I may even broil it for a couple minutes to make sure it's nice and crispy and brown on top. And I failed to mention, you can use any kind of cream soup. I used on this one cream chicken with herb. You can use cream of mushroom, cream of celery, plain chicken, golden mushroom, any chicken soup that you like that will give this extra flavor. The ranch really takes this over the edge. There it is, 1 hour in the oven. I did broil it for a few minutes just to show you how nice and cheesy and delicious this is. Perfect for dinner. Like I said, serve it with salad, bread, or I took it to a potluck the first time I made this. And my disclaimer, if you want more broccoli, it will hold an 8x8. That was a small bag of microwavable broccoli. You can use 2 bags, but you see it's full of broccoli, full of cheese, and the potatoes are perfectly cooked. You can use fresh potatoes, but you have to cook them, peel them, and boil them before you put them into this dish. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. A man came home from work and found his wife sitting on the front porch with her bags packed. He asked her where she was going. She replied, "I'm going to Las Vegas." He questioned her as to why. "Well, I just found out that I can make $500 a night doing what I do for you for free." He pondered that, then went back into the house and packed his bags and returned to the porch. "Just where do you think you're going?" "Well, I'm going with you," he replied. "Why?" "Well, I want to see how you live on $1,000 a year." Unbelievable. So, yeah, you get it. If you don't get it, I guess, she has sex with him twice a year. So that's what she was talking about. That's a sick joke. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like these quick, fast, easy recipes that are for the person who doesn't want to cook, doesn't have time to cook. Very simple. This is absolutely delicious. The ranch seasoning packet gives it a different flavor. And as I stated, if you like your broccoli crunchy, just cut it up fresh, blanch it for 3 to 5 minutes, shock it in cold water, and bake it in the oven. It'll still have some bite to it. And those canned potatoes are pretty soft. They're pre-cooked, but an hour in the oven and they are perfectly cooked. And I just rinsed them. And you can use corn. You can add any vegetables you like, as I said, in any type of cream soup. I happen to have an affinity for cream of chicken with herbs, or cream of mushroom, the golden cream of mushroom. The other one doesn't have much flavor, neither does the cream of chicken, but it does add a creaminess. And cream of celery is my favorite. But yes, if you definitely give this recipe a try, please let me know. Like, comment, and share, and definitely comment. I respond to all my comments because I'm so grateful for you guys. Well, have a good evening. God bless you all, and I hope to see you on the next one.